It's just a quick video on how to open up Zoom and stuff because I don't know what you guys already know. Maybe they already sent you stuff, but if they didn't, I'm just making this just to help. So, first you got to log in to your WillMU. You should put in your password and information, all that jazz. It's going to be slow for some reason. Yada, yada, yada. Right, go to Canvas. Log into Canvas. I don't know, I got to click it twice. Okay, go to your courses. So we'll do Intro to 3D. Okay. You should see, you have this main thing over here. You should see something that says this one says Zoom. So, we want to select Zoom. And then you will see for each class, I have set up a bunch of, these lessons or these, Zoom sessions or like meeting sections. All you gotta do is yours won't say either one of these. Yours will say join. You'll just click on join. And then I wonder if I can get this open. Let's see if this works. Here we go. So it'll ask you you might have to download something and then just open the link. And then a window will pop up momentarily. It's a lot like Skype. So it'll look kind of like this. And you will be able to, you'll see a list of people. You'll be able to raise your hand if you want. And then I can unraise your hand. And there's ways of like chatting and stuff. You go down here, you can type in like questions and things like that. When you go to join it, you want to click on join audio, and then you can test your speaker. So yep, I hear it, and then I can see that this is working here. And I'll hit yes. Okay, then you can join computer audio, and then click join computer audio. You can also join with video, but I'm assuming you probably don't want that. So you'll just join with the audio, and then I'll be able to see you and stuff. I haven't done this before either, so you just click on this. I'll just show you, and then we can unmute me. But then you can see that's going. Yeah, so I haven't done this before either, so we'll see how it goes. So if it goes a little rough, I'll do my best to try and figure it out as we go, but that's just the rough, how to get into it. And then we'll probably need to use, the sharing screen stuff and things like that. Yeah, so that should basically be it. Where's my...